Hello, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to be looking at mini galleries within Darwin. So let's have a look at our fabulous T exhibit. I've added a couple of pages whilst we were away, just so that you don't have to watch me making pages again. They're in the About T section. So here's a page that you will already have seen. Here in the bottom right hand corner you'll see that I've added previous and next buttons, which take us to this page all about teapots. I've added some text which can scroll because the text is larger than the text field, so Darwin automatically makes it scroll. And we've got previous to next button. So what we need to do is add a mini gallery. Now they're called mini galleries, but actually they can take up pretty much the entire page. What they are really is a component that automatically generates a series of thumbnails, and if you touch the thumbnail it replaces a large image with a big version of that thumbnail. So let me add a mini gallery. Here we go, add mini gallery, and I have got a teapots folder. I just select a folder. This has got 6 images in it, and hey presto, there's my mini gallery. And I'm moving the wrong thing, so I'm going to just make sure that is actually in the right place, and then I'll lock the background image so I can't keep doing that. And here's the mini gallery. Now you'll see that it's automatically made 5, well there are only 5, not 6, I can't count, 5 thumbnails. So what I can do is I can just scale the gallery and it'll make it a little bit bigger, but this is with keeping the images in proportion so that they'll fit in the box. And I can have a highlight color, so when I click one of my thumbnails I can have a highlight color, and I'll make it the same as my buttons because that's consistent. I need to save that, and let's make this bounce in after 1 second, and that should be it. So I'm going to do save and run story. So Darwin saves the story and runs it. Here are our existing sections. I'll click About T. Here's a page we did before. Here's some scrolling text. We've now got new buttons at the bottom. So let's go to the next page. Here it comes, and there you go. There is our mini gallery. It's as simple as that. So this is a little one, but you can have a big one. Here's one that we did for the V&A. Or you can have even smaller ones. Here's one in one of the demo stories that you can get with Darwin, and this one's in a pop-up. So not only do they appear on ordinary pages, they can ordinarily appear on pop-ups. They're a very, very useful way of getting lots of pictorial information, say different views of an object, across to users. So hopefully that's useful. See you for the next one.